Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Paul, and today we are going to talk about how beginners can learn English at home using a full weekly plan.
Hello everyone, I'm Lena. Yes, Paul. Many learners want to improve their English, but they don't know what to study daily or how to organize their practice.
That's true. Without a proper plan, people often feel confused and stop learning.
Exactly. That's why in this video we will share a simple weekly English learning plan that beginners can follow easily at home.
So this plan will help learners practice step by step during the whole week.
Yes, and the best part is that it is beginner-friendly and easy to follow.
Lena, what should beginners focus on Monday?
Monday should be vocabulary day. Learners can start the week by learning useful daily words.
How many words should they learn?
Around 5 to 10 words daily is enough for beginners.
What kind of words?
Simple words related to home, food, travel, family, emotions, and daily life.
How can they remember the words?
By using them in small sentences and revising them at night.
Lena, after learning vocabulary on Monday, what should beginners do next?
The next step is speaking practice because vocabulary becomes useful only when learners start using words in sentences.
Many beginners feel shy while speaking English.
Yes, but that's completely normal. Beginners should start with small and simple sentences like, I am learning English. I like music. I live with my family.
That sounds easy.
Exactly. They can also practice in front of a mirror or talk to themselves at home.
How much practice is enough?
Even 10-15 minutes daily is very helpful. Regular speaking practice slowly builds confidence.
What about mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning. Beginners should focus on speaking, not perfection.
So consistency matters most.
Absolutely. Daily speaking practice improves confidence and fluency step by step.
Lena, what should learners focus on Wednesday?
Wednesday should focus on listening practice because listening helps learners understand real English conversations.
Many beginners find listening difficult.
Yes, because they don't practice enough. Beginners should start with slow and simple English videos, podcasts, or conversations.
What is the best method?
The best method is listen and repeat. Play a sentence, pause it, and repeat it aloud.
That improves pronunciation too.
Exactly. Listening regularly helps learners improve pronunciation, understanding, and speaking confidence.
How long should they practice listening?
15-20 minutes daily is enough for beginners.
Can they listen while doing other activities?
Yes, they can listen while relaxing or doing simple tasks at home. This makes learning more natural and enjoyable.
So listening is an important part of the weekly plan.
Absolutely. Regular listening practice helps learners understand English more easily and speak more naturally.
Lena, after listening practice, what should beginners focus on Thursday?
Thursday should focus on reading practice because reading improves vocabulary, grammar, and sentence understanding. What should beginners read? They should start with simple English content like short stories, easy articles, beginner books, or small conversations.
Why simple content?
Because easy reading builds confidence and helps learners understand English naturally without stress.
Should learners read silently or aloud?
Reading aloud is very helpful because it improves pronunciation and speaking confidence too.
What if they find difficult words?
They should write those words in a notebook, learn the meaning, and try to use them in sentences.
How much reading is enough daily?
Even 10-15 minutes daily can make a big difference over time. So regular reading helps overall English improvement. Absolutely. Reading daily helps learners become more comfortable with English sentence structure and vocabulary.
Lena, what should beginners practice on Friday?
Friday should focus on writing practice because writing helps learners organize their thoughts and improve sentence formation.
What can beginners write about?
They can write simple sentences about their daily routine, hobbies, family, or what they learned during the week.
Can you give an example?
Sure, simple lines like, Today I studied English. I like reading books. My favorite food is pizza. These small sentences are great for beginners.
That seems easy to practice at home.
Yes, and learners should not worry about grammar mistakes in the beginning. The main goal is to practice writing regularly.
How much should they write daily?
Even one short paragraph daily is enough to improve slowly.
Does writing help speaking too?
Absolutely. Writing helps learners think in English, which also improves speaking confidence.
So Friday writing practice is also important.
Yes, regular writing practice helps learners become more fluent and confident in English communication.
What should happen on Saturday?
Saturday should be revision day. Learners should review everything they studied during the week.
How can they revise?
Repeat vocabulary, read old notes, practice speaking, and correct mistakes.
That builds confidence too.
Exactly. Revision is very important for improvement.
And what about Sunday?
Sunday should be relaxed learning day. Watch English movies, songs, or fun videos.
So learning should also be enjoyable.
Absolutely. Fun learning keeps motivation high.
Any final advice?
Follow the weekly plan regularly and stay patient. Small daily practice creates big results.
Thank you everyone for watching.
Keep learning and keep improving.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.